So, Wall Street loves a little good news, right? Hey everyone, it's Thursday morning, July 24th, and welcome back to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm your host, Endrit Sella, here to break down yesterday's market action in just 2 minutes. Quick note before we begin. Today's episode is brought to you by AMF Capital. For smart investment solutions and high-quality funds, head over to amf-capital.de. If you enjoy the podcast, please rate it wherever you're listening and make sure to subscribe if you haven't done so already. All right, let's get to it. Wednesday was all about trade and tech. U.S. stocks pushed higher after Washington struck a deal with Japan, dialing back tariff threats. The Dow jumped more than 1.1%, about 450 points, and came just 4 points away from its first record close of 2025. The Standard & Poor's 500 climbed almost 0.8%, and the Nasdaq added around 0.6%, both hitting fresh record levels. So what's in this Japan deal? The U.S. is slapping a 15% tariff on imports, way better than the 25% that was looming. In return, Tokyo is committing $550 billion in U.S. investments. Trump called it a great deal for everybody, and it boosted hopes that similar trade pacts with the European Union and maybe even China could come together before that August 1st deadline. Economists say if tariffs settle around 15%, it's manageable for the global economy. But the big spotlight was on earnings, especially Alphabet. And wow, Google's parent did not disappoint. Alphabet posted earnings per share of $2.31, beating estimates. Revenue jumped 14% to $96 billion, with Google Search pulling in $54 billion, YouTube ad sales rising 13% to nearly $10 billion, and Google Cloud revenue soaring 32% to $13.5 billion. YouTube's performance was called strong, and the company even bumped its full-year capital spending outlook to about $85 billion, way above last year. Bottom line, Alphabet crushed it. Tesla's results were also due after the bell, with everyone watching how Elon Musk would navigate his rocky relationship with Trump and whether the core auto business and robotaxi plans are on track. So yeah, a solid day, a trade breakthrough with Japan, record highs, and a big earnings win for Alphabet. That's it for today's Capital Markets Quickie. I'll be back tomorrow morning with a brand new episode. Don't forget to subscribe, rate the podcast, and share it with your network. Thanks for tuning in.